Introduction 000015. Faith and science, two giants that have clashed for centuries. One seeks proof, the other trusts the invisible. But what happens when they collide? Can these two radically different worlds truly coexist? Or are they simply destined to forever remain opposing forces? Take a look at these icons, the giants of science: Albert Einstein, Isaac Newton, Georges Lemaître. These men changed the way we see the world. They revolutionized our understanding of the universe. But what many don't know is, they were all deeply religious. Einstein, the physicist who unlocked the secrets of the cosmos with his theory of relativity, said, "Science without religion is lame." Do you think the greatest physicist of all time saw a connection between the two? And what about Isaac Newton, the father of modern physics, who discovered the law of gravitation? But did you know he spent more time studying the Bible than his scientific works? And then there's Georges Lemaître, the Catholic priest who proposed the Big Bang Theory, a man who believed in God and at the same time tried to scientifically explain the origins of the universe. These men achieved what many today would call impossible. They united faith and science in a single vision. The big question: are faith and science truly incompatible? Science asks, how does the universe work? How did the stars form? How does life evolve? But faith asks why do we exist? Why is the universe even here? Why do we suffer? Science explains how things happen, but faith often explores why they happen. These two realms, despite their differences, serve distinct purposes. But is that enough reason to keep them worlds apart? But then, there's the fiery clash: evolution versus creationism, the battle between the scientific explanation of life's origins and the belief in divine creation. Science says there is no divine hand that created the universe. Faithful believers argue, science can never explain the existence of a higher power. A true showdown, right? But what if both sides are missing something? What if faith and science don't have to be at odds, but could actually complement each other? Let's bring in a modern figure, Neil deGrasse Tyson, one of the most prominent voices in modern science. He has openly discussed how he doesn't see science and faith as opposites. Tyson says that science helps us understand the how, but it's religion or philosophy that often answers the why questions about our existence. Tyson believes that you can be a person of faith and still embrace the discoveries of science. In fact, he argues that both can coexist in a way that helps us understand the world from different perspectives. So, are we looking at two sides of the same coin, or is it possible for these two forces to exist in harmony? Science has shown us how the universe works, but faith helps us understand why it matters. Science reveals how life evolved, but faith gives us meaning behind it all. Imagine being a scientist, discovering the wonders of the universe, and then suddenly realizing that there is something greater, a higher purpose. Could that be a form of faith in itself? So, can faith and science really coexist? Or are they destined to forever be at odds with each other? Let us know what you think. Are you someone who sees science and faith as separate? Or do you think they can work together? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more thought-provoking discussions.